Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the sound ready and confirming permissions. First, pick a short MP3 or WAV and trim it to the desired length so the alarm stays concise. Once done, normalize volume to prevent distortion and save a copy labeled clearly. Next, make sure your phone or alarm app has file access. Enable storage or media permissions in settings. This step prepares you to move the audio into the right place without permission errors. Now transfer the file and integrate it with the alarm system. Connect via USB or upload to cloud and download on device, or use a file manager app to copy into the alarms or notifications directory. If your alarm app has an import function, open it and add the file there. Make sure file names have no special characters. Once the file is in the correct folder, refresh the app or reboot the device so the new sound becomes available in sound selection menus. Finish by assigning the sound to an alarm and testing it. You open the alarm app, create or edit an alarm, then select the custom sound from the list. If it's not visible, use the app's browse option to navigate to the file. After saving, set a quick test alarm to confirm volume and duration. If it fails, check permissions, ensure the file format is supported, and verify the file's folder. Correcting one of these usually fixes the problem immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.